Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. A king once decided to give away a part of his wealth by disinterested charity. At the same time, he wanted to watch what happened to it. So he called a baker whom he could trust and told him to bake 2 loaves of bread. In the first was to be baked a number of jewels, and in the other nothing but flour and water. These were to be given to the most and least pious people whom the baker could find. The following morning, 2 men presented themselves at the oven. One was dressed as a dervish and seemed most pious, though he was in reality a mere pretender. The other, who said nothing at all, reminded the baker of a man whom he did not like by a coincidence of facial resemblance. The baker gave the bread with the jewels in it to the man in the dervish robe, and the ordinary loaf to the second man. As soon as he got his loaf, the false dervish felt it and weighed it in his hand. He felt the jewels, and to him they seemed like lumps in the loaf, unblended flour. He weighed the bread in his hand, and the weight of the jewels made it seem to him to be too heavy. He looked at the baker and realized that he was not a man to prefer bread, so he turned to the second man and said, "Why not exchange your loaf for mine? You look hungry, and this one is larger." The second man, prepared to accept whatever befell, willingly exchanged loaves. The king, who was watching through a crack in the baker's house door, was surprised but did not realize the relative merits of the 2 men. The false dervish got the ordinary loaf. The king concluded the fate had intervened to keep the dervish protected from wealth. The really good man found the jewels and was able to make good use of them. The king could not interpret this happening. "I did what I was told to do," said the baker. "You cannot tamper with fate," said the king. "How clever I was," said the false dervish. Its first layer of teaching is that while man may be offered something of great value to his future, he does not necessarily take advantage of it.